guys, good afternoon. I came here in Souq Waqif because I want to see the Canon show, the one that they do before iftar, you know, the bomb like that. So I want to see that one. That's why I came here in Souq Waqif this afternoon. So now I just arrived here in Souq Waqif. I see those things like for souvenirs, pet shop and everything, guys. As you can see this one is she sell like pillow made of this fabric. So as you can see, guys, this is a very colorful fabric. Yes, and I cannot drink water now because I'm also do fasting. So as you can see, guys, you cannot see any people eating outside because iftar is not yet coming. So I came here outside the fanar to see and to witness how they do the Canon bomb here during Ramadan. Anyways, guys, you know, I just see this in television before iftar, before I break my fasting. I watch this in television, but today I want to see how they do that. That's why I decided to come here in Souq Waqif to see. As you can see, guys, when I came here, I see a lot of birds there, and I think too much improvement now in Souq Waqif. Before Souq Waqif, it's not like that, you know, but now I can see that there's too much improvement since before. So I enjoy a lot to see and to walk around here in Souq Waqif. It's very nice, guys, you know. See, I go in surroundings, I go rounding there and see everything, and I can say that it's too much improvement. You see too much bird there. This park is also nice. Yeah, it's very warm environment like that. I miss this place so much. I like this place. I always want to go back there and see what is in there, you know. I remember those times that I always go there before. So I really love this place, and I really like this place, guys. Oh my god, you see the camel? I like the camel, you see. Oh my goodness, before I already ride with that camel, and it's very nice experience, guys. This is the pet section, the bird section. As you can see, guys, I see there have a lots of birds and bunny. I see bunny here, and I also see the chicken like that, the crab. I don't know, I didn't see any crab. I see a lot of bunny and pagong. I don't know, pagong. Yes, you see, there's a lot of birds here, different kinds and different colors. Yes, and bunny. And what else? I see also have different animals there. Turtle, yeah, I see a lot of turtle there, guys, small and big. I see a lot of turtle there. As you can see, the birds is different colors. Yes, have green, have yellow. You see this bunny? There's so much bunny here, guys. Oh my god, there's too much bunny. Yes, you see, oh, so cute, very cute. See, there's a lot of bird here. As I'm waiting for the iftar to come, guys, and to see the cannon show. I just visit this place while I'm waiting because the cannon show oh my god, this is turtle, the very small turtle, guys. Oh my god, they're so cute, very cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is bunny. Oh my god, they're so cute, guys. Very cute, very cute. And then I see also there have donkey. There's also 3 donkey there, guys. Oh my god, this 3 donkey also is very cute. Yes, I'm here now in outside. Even here there's too much bird outside also. And this is the cannon show, guys. You see, before the iftar they make this bomb like that, and then after that you can break your fast and eat. So guys, just watch it, okay? I'm here waiting for the bomb to make that happen, okay? Let's watch, guys. As you can see,